In this video, I will be showing you how to display code syntax highlighting in Gamma AI. Let's get started. First, I'll open up my existing presentation titled Video AI Tools and Platforms. After the project loads, I'll scroll through my slides and click the plus icon on the left sidebar to add a brand new card to the presentation workspace. To insert the code, I'll head over to the right-hand toolbar and select the Basic Blocks icon. From here, I'll scroll down until I find the interactive category. Then I'll click and drag the code block directly onto my slide. Now I'll click into the text area and paste my script. You'll see I'm using some Python code for an AI sentiment analysis model. To adjust the highlighting, I'll click the language selector in the top right of the code block. I can manually switch this to plain text to remove the colors, or select a different language like Bash to see how the formatting changes. By setting it back to Python or using auto detect, the syntax highlighting reappears, making the code much more readable and professional for the audience. This is a great way to showcase technical steps clearly and efficiently within your slides. And there you have it. That's the complete process of displaying code syntax highlighting in Gamma AI.